The secret behind insecurity in Nigeria has been revealed by Captain Efeomoyo. This man spoke deep words with deep meaning. Guys, I can't keep this video to myself. I want you to watch this video.
My name is Captain Efeomoyo, retired. I have been to 5 countries to fight war. I have 5 war medals. Who truly owns Nigeria? Who is the owner of this country? Who owns Nigeria? Who is the cabal? You have been hearing cabal, cabal, cabal. Who is the cabal? Aliko Dangote. I was listening to him. He said, when he was preparing for this refinery that is helping Nigeria, helping Africa and the entire world today, you see, God showed him that there will be problem between Iran, Israel, and America, and the Strait of Hormuz will be closed. Because of that, he went ahead to do this thing. The cabal fought him. Dangote said, the cabal fought him, that he fought back. He remained small. They would have defeated him, just small. Who are the cabals? Who owns the cabal? Who controls the cabal? Now let's go on. Someone gave an order in Niger State before the kidnapping of those children. Someone gave an order, according to the governor of Niger State. Soldiers were there. Then there was an order that the soldiers should be withdrawn. The moment the soldiers withdrew, the kidnappers entered there and kidnapped the school children. Who gave the order? Who gave? Senator Adam Ashimole shouted in the Senate. Everybody was making video about that. They said, who gave the order? They must bring the person to justice. Senator Godswill Akpabio was here, looking at him like movie. He cannot do anything. Who is that cabal that's making Akpabio that I know, that he can talk anyhow, cannot talk? Who is that cabal? Who controls the cabal? Who owns the cabal? That Adam Ashimole, with all this man, he cannot do anything. Who is the cabal? Who is controlling Nigeria? Now, we have what we call service chiefs. The chief of army staff, the chief of air staff, the chief of naval staff, the inspector general of police, or maybe the chief of bandit staff if we have another one. Then we know that the overall is the chief of defense staff. Now, when you reach the time for them to take order, you reach the time for chief of army staff to give order, he go give excuse, in the fear. You reach the time of chief of naval staff to give order, in the fear. You reach the time of chief of air staff to give order, in the fear. You reach the time of inspector general of police to give order, in the fear. Hey, that one never even do, sir. You reach the time for the chief of defense staff to give order, in the fear. In the fear. So the chief of defense staff was even saying, they are prodigal son, we are giving them son, they will come back, they will repent. Prodigal son, from chief of defense staff of Nigerian army. You see that man who says, in the fear. Why in the fear? Who in the fear? A whole general, the fear. He never do, because we are saying that the military could solve the problem of Nigeria. Allah, no go solve. During the time of Goodluck Jonathan, unlike other African presidents, typically a Nigerian president, who had all the power, when they were counting the election, Jonathan said he received call, threats of life, that he has to give up the election. Even they would have killed him. President, the fear said they go kill him. Who won't kill president? That means a get person, we are past president in Nigeria. So that means any person who become Nigerian president is like SUG president, Student Union Government president. You know, as a SUG president, I mean, the people we have in Nigeria as president, they are SUG president. They don't have the power. I'm not here to mock them. I'm here to tell you something so you pity them. So that you cry for your country, Nigeria. There must be a way out. Now, you can say, no matter, you don't dream of. What about IBB? General Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida. During his book, when he was launching his book, he confessed. He said, he annulled June 12th election because they tried to kill him. Because if I know, they go kill me. The whole IBB. The Baba. He said the fear cabal. Who be that cabal? Who won't threaten IBB? Nigerians, I don't know what happened for this control. Me, I retired from the army for not training. I know some complete 35 years. I know where I live. If I don't go seek this country, I don't want to continue again. Because I'm not serving Nigerian army. Now listen to me. The first lady, the present first lady, I mean, President Tinubu's wife, thanked the US for bombing terrorist location in Nigeria, first in Sokoto. And she still went ahead to appeal that President Trump should come back and do more bombing, meaning Nigerian president, you don't get power to bomb terrorists in Nigeria. He doesn't have the power. President Tinubu is not weak. Of course you know. President Tinubu is in a place where we say, he don't think saying go work, but when you reach here, because he said, that's what this place be. He don't feel bomb. Who bomb him? President Tinubu don't feel give for that. He don't feel. Don't mind. All this what they do. That's why when they go French, when they go Benin Republic, go Canada, the instruction they gave him. They give him instruction. He cannot do it. He cannot do it. Okay, if he can do it in Benin Republic, why not he do it in Nigeria? Why not he do it in Nigeria? If he go in Benin Republic, look my eye. Use your brain, logically. Don't be emotional about this. If President Tinubu can go to Benin Republic and bombard other country, why not he bomb in Nigeria? Listen, not too much. Let me leave it for phase 2. Thank you.